Okay, so in previous lecture we saw question number 2 till 7 sub question, and this is the last one. We'll complete this one. Now we have to differentiate this function and we have to solve that dy by dx value for x is equals to pi by 4. Okay. आतापर्यंत आपण फक्त dy by dx फाइंड आउट करून सोडवत होतो, पण जे पण काही आन्सर येईल त्यामध्ये tan pi by 4 चे व्हॅल्यू पुट करून आपल्याला रिक्वायर्ड आन्सर हवंय. सो लेट y is equals to tan x plus 2 tan x and bracket raised to again tan x. Now for this inner part we consider different function. So suppose this is again, so consider m is equals to, okay, we consider this as m. So m is equals to tan x raised to tan x, and now we differentiate this. So before that y will become y is equals to m raised to tan x, and okay, we'll find out first equation 1. So if we differentiate this one now, differentiate y with respect to x, then again actually we have to use log, right now. So we have m raised to tan x, so that we will see afterwards. Write this as well. Okay, now we will solve for m as m is equals to tan x raised to tan x, using log now, using log on both sides. We have this is log m is equals to, now take this tan x will come in front, so tan x into log of tan x. Okay, now we are used to this. This is UV rule for differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. This is 1 upon m into dm by dx. And for this now, first as it is derivative of second, that is first of all it is log function, so derivative will come as 1 upon tan x, and in multiplication we have to take derivative for this tan x. Now what is derivative of tan x? Second square x, so write it down. Now plus second function as it is, second function as it is, so log x, so log of tan x as it is, and derivative of tan x is again second square x, right? Now see, this tan x will cancel. The answer is dm by dx is equals to m will come this side, and in bracket here second square x plus again this second square x, right, first into log tan x. Now substitute value of m also, and you can see second square x is common inside, so take it out. So m value is tan x raised to tan x into second square becomes outside, so in bracket 1 plus log of tan x will remain, 1 plus log of tan x. Therefore dm by dx is equals to this one. Okay, so we will leave this as 2. Now half of the part is finished. Now we will take this y, because again we have to use log for this, and then we will get dm by dx in that answer. We will put this step over there. Okay, so therefore now as y is equals to m raised to tan x, now using log on both sides, using log on both sides, it will be log y is equals to tan x will come in front, tan x log n. Now differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to x. You will get this as 1 upon y, and y is different function, so dy by dx. And for this RHS we have to use UV rule. So again, tan x first function as it is, derivative of second, that is x. Derivative will come as 1 upon m, and as m is another function, we have to write dm by dx. Another function म्हणजे काय, other than x function असेल तर आपल्याला त्याचं it means it is composite function, so we have to take its derivative again. Now second part, so plus log m as it is into derivative of tan x, that is secant square x. Okay, so just now put the value of m. Therefore it will be dy by dx. Y will come this side, and for this tan x upon m value we can write. So m value is tan x bracket raised to tan x. Okay. And this dm by dx answer, where it is. Okay, so just substitute this answer over here. Tan x raised to tan x into secant square x into 1 plus log of tan x. So this is the answer for dm by dx. Now plus this term we have to write. So plus log, again m value we put. So m value is tan x raised to tan x. So log of tan x bracket raised to tan x into secant square x. This is secant square x. Okay. Now complete your bracket. Now you can see here, this tan x bracket raised to tan x and this tan x bracket raised to tan x, they will get cancelled, and then okay. Now therefore dy by dx is equals to, y value is this one, so tan x raised to tan x and whole raised to tan x. Then check if anything, this will be sin upon cos if you write in that form, and this will be 1 upon cos, so nothing will get cancelled, so no need to write. Sin आहे second bracket मध्ये tan x we cancel झालेला into secant square x into, here will be curly bracket, so into 1 plus log of tan x plus this log of secant square x will write first into log of tan x raised to tan x. So curly bracket completed. Now you can take the secant square outside also, but if we put value of, now we want final answer by substituting actually at x is equals to pi by 4, so we'll substitute everything everywhere instead of x pi by 4. तो सेकंड स्क्वेअर एक्स तुम्ही आउटसाइड घेतला तरीही चालेल, अदरवाइज तिथेच ठेवून आता व्हॅल्यू पुट केला तरीही चालेल. सो dy by dx at x is equals to pi by 4, like this answer you can get. Now tan pi by 4 raised to tan pi by 4 and raised to tan pi by 4 into over here tan pi by 4 into secant square pi by 4 into 1 plus log of tan pi by 4 plus again secant square pi by 4 into log of tan pi by 4 and rest to again tan pi by 4. Just zoom it if you have any difficulty. Now just as we know, tan pi by 4 value is 1 and sec pi by 4 value is root 2. Just put all the values. Now this is 1 raised to 1 raised to 1 into, this will be again 1 into root 2 square, that is 2. Okay, 1 into 2 again into 1 plus log of 1, it is correct, tan pi by 4 is 1 plus secant square pi by 4, that is root 2 square, therefore 2 into log pi by 4, tan pi by 4, that is log 1. Okay, for the bracket complete. Just we have to write down the summations, that is sums and all values. So over here for reason you can write since tan pi by 4 is 1 and sec pi by 4 is root 2. Okay, for your understanding you can write it down. Now final answer will be, just take a screenshot and we'll complete now final answer. So I am doing this. Now answer will be dy by dx at x is equals to pi by 4 is equals to, this one will come as 1, so no need to write, and over here 2 into 1 plus, now remember log 1 is 0, so 1 plus 0, then plus again 2 into this log 1 again which is 0, so 2 into 0. The final answer will be 2 into 1 plus 0, therefore dy by dx at x is equals to pi by 4 is nothing but 2, right? 2 plus 0, 2. So this is the final answer. Just complete it. So now we'll start question number 3 from exercise 1.3. Find dy by dx. If first one is root x plus root y is equals to root 8. Okay, so this is something different but quite easy. Now before starting this, I have to clear one concept actually. Explicit functions and implicit functions. Okay, implicit functions. Now what is this? Till now we saw functions in the form of y is equals to something fx. So kind of these functions are called as explicit functions. Okay, kind of these functions are called as explicit functions. So in these questions we used to solve directly dy by dx and we used to find out this differentiation, that is f dash x. But now onwards sometimes you will get functions in the form of x and y, like x raised to 5 plus xy plus y plus 3y square, like this. So in this kind of examples you can see there is a combination of x and y. sometimes and sometimes only x or y. So this kind of functions are known as implicit functions. So when equation contains x and y terms together, what is implicit functions? When equation contains x and y terms together, then that equation is known as implicit functions. Kind of examples are like this. And जेव्हा आपल्याला फक्त y is equals to काहीतरी x फॉर्म असतो, जसं आता आपण बरेच पाहिले y is equals to tan x raised to e raised to x और काही असतील, काय आहे y आहे and it is a function of x everywhere. See x everywhere. So these kind of functions are explicit functions, and when x and y are together, then it is implicit functions. Now you can see these are all whatever functions now means equations, those are implicit functions. वेगळं काही नाहीये, डिफरन्शिएशनच फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. जेव्हा x असेल तेव्हा डायरेक्टली x चा फॉर्म यूज करायचा, जेव्हा y असेल तेव्हा जसं आपण dy by dx लिहितो इन दॅट फॉर्म. ओके, फक्त माहित असायला हवं डिफरन्स काय आहे फंक्शन्स मध्ये, म्हणून आपण एक छोटीशी कन्सेप्ट पाहिली. नाउ विल सी दिस वन. आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं, dy by dx. So directly start differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. Now root x. Root x आपलं original form वाला क्वेश्चन आहे. Like we know that formula for derivative of root x. First step आहे, first question आहे. So I'll write like this: d dx of root x plus d dx of root y plus equals to d dx of root a. Okay, now root x is the original form and derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Again now root y. See, आपल्याला with respect to x differentiate करायचं, जेव्हाही वेगळे फंक्शन्स येतील अगोदर त्यांना युजिंग x फॉर्म्युला, म्हणजे जो पण x चा फॉर्म असतो जसं की रूट x, त्या फॉर्म्युलाचा यूज करून आन्सर लिहायचं. and then again for that inner part we have to write the derivative. Remember this every time. So for root y first we'll use 1 upon 2 root y, that is x form, root x form, and then for y we'll write derivative dy by dx. Okay, now is equals to a is a constant obviously, so root a derivative will come at 0. Now we want answer for only dy by dx ना. So remember for this kind of questions dy by dx part सोडून जे पण काही एक्स्ट्रा कॉन्स्टंट्स असतील, व्हेरिएबल्स पार्ट असेल, तो आयदर साइडला आपल्याला कॅरी करायचा आहे. सो राइट डाउन दिस dy 1 upon 2 root y into dy by dx is equals to, now this will come that side as minus, so minus 1 upon 2 root x. Now again we want only dy by dx answer, this part will take either side. It will be now dy by dx is equals to 2 root y will come in numerator and okay minus sign is there, so minus 2 root y will be, and 2 root x will come in denominator. Now you can see 2 you can cancel them, and then final answer is dy by dx is equals to minus, both are in roots, so we can write them in one root only, that is minus root of y by x. This is the answer. Equations खूप इझी आहेत. आतापर्यंत आपण जे लॉगचे क्वेश्चन्स पाहिले लेंदी होते, ते पण इझीच होते, but लेंदी they are. And now we'll see this kind of functions. खूप इझी आहेत, क्वेश्चन्सचे आन्सर क्विकली आपल्याला मिळून जातात. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज the next one is write down only second one, x root x plus y root y is equals to a root a. Only one step I will explain. Actually त्याची गरज नाही आहे. You can see these both are x, both are y and both are a. Just we have to combine their index. इथे काय आहे, हा x आणि हा आहे x raised to half, plus it is y into y raised to half, and this is a into a raised to half. So using law of indices we know that when bases are same, okay, and indices are different, we can write base only ones, and we can add the indices. So 1, this is 1, so 1 plus 1 by 2 it will be 3 by 2, then it will be y raised to 3 by 2, and this is a raised to 3 by 2. Same kind of again start differentiation. These all are x raised to n forms. जिथे y आहे तिथे अगोदर x raised to n फॉर्मचा यूज करून फॉर्म्युला लिहायचा आहे, and then dy by dx असे लिहायचे आहे, and this differentiation will come at 0. And then just you have to be careful that dy by dx पार्ट तुम्हाला वन साइड ठेवायचा, आयदर जो पण असा पार्ट असेल तो काय करायचा तुम्हाला आयदर साइडला शिफ्ट करायचा आहे, and write down final answer as dy by dx only. Okay, so complete this in your homework activity. Now we will see third one from this, which is x plus root xy plus y is equals to 1. Now for this, you can see this is combination of root xy, so we cannot differentiate this directly. First of all, we have to split them. So this is x plus root x into root y plus y is equals to 1. Now for this part we have to use UV rule because there are two different functions, right? So now start differentiating first. So differentiate with respect to x. x चा डिफरेंशिएशन होणार आहे 1. इथे आपल्याला UV ने सॉल्व करायचं. सो फर्स्ट फंक्शन ॲज इट इज, सेकंडचं काय होणार आधी 1/2 रूट y and for y dy by dx. Now plus second function as it is into differentiation of first, that is 1/2 root x, and plus for y differentiation is dy by dx is equals to, for 1 differentiation as it is constant function differentiation will be 0. हे आपण सगळं बेसिक्स मध्ये पाहिलेले आहे. सो खूप इझी फॉर्म्युलेज आपण यूज करतो. therefore it is now 1 plus, कंबाइन करा अगोदर, 1 plus root x upon 2 root y dy by dx plus root y upon 2 root x plus dy by dx again. As we discussed, we want dy by dx answer. So do one thing, dy by dx पार्ट तुम्हाला LHS ला ठेवायचा, आयदर जे पण पार्ट्स आहेत त्यांना तुम्हाला दुसऱ्या साइडला शिफ्ट करायचे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट दिस dy by dx पार्ट, root x upon 2 root y dy by dx plus that dy by dx is equals to, now this one will come that side as -1 and this plus part will come that side as minus root y upon 2 root x. Okay, now take this dy by dx common, so this will be root x upon 2 root y plus 1 into dy by dx is equals to, now first of all take this minus sign common, it will be 1 plus root y upon 2 root x. Now do cross multiplication over here also and over there also. So this is now root x plus 2 root y upon 2 root y into dy by dx, and this side this is minus again in bracket cross multiplication, so 2 root x plus root y upon 2 root x. Okay, now as you want only dy by dx answer, shift this that side. Okay, so we'll solve this over here. Therefore dy by dx is equals to, first write that term minus 2 root x plus root y upon 2 root x into, now this term when it will go that side, reverse मध्ये जाणार आहे. So 2 root y will be in numerator upon root x plus 2 root y will be denominator. Now over here, root 2 will get cancelled. Write down the remaining minus root y upon root x, and this is 2 root x plus root y upon this is root x plus 2 root y. So this root y upon x you can write in one bracket also. Therefore the final answer is this. काही अवघड नाही, फक्त एकदा डिफरेन्शिएशन झाले की dy by dx पार्ट एक साइडला ठेवायचा. जर मोर दॅन 1 dy by dx असतील तर तो कॉमन घेऊन जो पण पार्ट आहे तो आयदर साइडला रिव्हर्स पोझिशन मध्ये ऍज अ रेसिप्रोकल शिफ्ट करायचा आहे. Fourth one is for homework again. X cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equals to 81. दिसायला जरी मोठा असेल पण डिफरेन्शिएशन खूप इझी आहे. एक्स स्ट्रेन फॉर्मचे डिफरेन्शिएशन आहे. जेव्हा एक्स वाय आहे तेव्हा तुम्हाला युवी यूज करायचा आहे आणि जेव्हा वाय आहे तेव्हा तुम्हाला बिफोर रायटिंग dy by dx आधी एक्स स्ट्रेन फॉर्मचा यूज करून फॉर्म्युला लिहून देन dy by dx लिहून बाकीचं काम करायचं आहे. सो कम्प्लीट दिस वन. नेक्स्ट वन इज x square y square minus tan inverse square root of x square plus y square is equals to cot inverse of x square plus y square. Before starting, all of you must know that, okay, so x square y square, this and this plus combination is pi by 2. हाँ, आपण यापण आयडेंटिटीज पाहिल्या आहेत. त्याच्यामुळे अगोदर क्वेश्चन दिल्यानंतर हा मायनस टॅन इनवर्स त्या पार्टला शिफ्ट करायचा आहे. सो इट विल बी टॅन इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस रूट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर प्लस कॉट इनवर्स ऑफ रूट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर. So this combination is identity is pi by 2. Remember, जर विसरला असाल तर. Okay, since you can write answer in reason. Since tan inverse root x square plus y square plus cot inverse root x square plus y square is equals to pi by 2. Okay. Now this is very easy to differentiate with respect to x. It is uv, correct? So use general x square as it is. Derivative of y square will be 2 into y into dy by dx. बरोबर. आधी x raised to n चा फॉर्म यूज केला. That is 2y will be the answer for derivative, and then dy by dx plus y square as it is, and for x square the answer is 2x. And for RHS, pi by 2 is constant function, so derivative is 0. Now this is 2x square y dy by dx plus 2xy square is equals to 0. Now जसं आपण डिस्कस केलंय, dy by dx part you have to keep on LHS, shift other part either side. So 2x square y dy by dx is equals to, it will be minus 2xy square, and then dy by dx is equals to, first that is minus 2xy square, आणि हा कुठे येणार आहे, हा पार्ट this one will be denominator now. So upon 2x square y, Okay, so now cancel the constant common parts. So 2 will get cancelled. Minus x y square upon x square y इथे सुद्धा होणार आहे, बट एकाच ठिकाणी खूप गडबड होणार असेल तर सेपरेट सेपरेट सुद्धा करू शकता. So from this x and from this x it will get cancelled. This y and from this y it will cancel. Now what will remain? Minus in numerator y will remain and in denominator x will remain. So your answer is minus y by x. Okay. So complete the remaining questions from question number 3 because they are very easy as you can see. And now we'll stop over here.